stop. Yes, I'm talking to you. Do you ever feel like you're shouting into a void? Like you're carrying a weight that no one else can see? You've been asking for a sign. You've been waiting for an answer to that one secret dua you only whisper in the dark. Well, this is it. Allah is talking to you. Not to the world. To you. He has seen every tear you way before anyone. He has heard the words you were too choked up to say. He's telling you, I am here. We wait for a voice from the sky, but Allah speaks through the silence of the night. He speaks through the way a leaf falls, or the way a stranger says exactly what you needed to hear. He is Al-Mujib, the one who responds. Think about the times you were at your breaking point, and suddenly a door opened. That wasn't luck. That was His voice saying, don't give up. He guides you through your fitra, that inner feeling that pulls you back to Him. He is Al-Hadi, the guide. He is whispering to your heart right now, I haven't forgotten you. Your struggle has a purpose. Your pain is a bridge, not a wall. Listen to His direct words in the Quran, as if they were sent to your soul today. Do not lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Did you hear that? He didn't say, oh sinners. He didn't say, oh failure. He still calls you His servant. Even after all the mistakes, even after all the times you turned away, He is still claiming ownership of your soul. He is telling you through this verse, stop running away from me and start running to me. Your past is a drop. My mercy is an ocean. The fact that you are feeling this pull in your heart right now is His way of saying you haven't been abandoned. So why are you giving up on yourself? So, what is He saying to you right now? Maybe He's saying, it's time to let go of that person who hurts you. Maybe He's saying, forgive yourself for what happened years ago. Or maybe He's just saying, come back. Come back. Your tahajjud is still waiting for you. Don't scroll away and forget this feeling. This Noor you feel in your chest right now. Protect it. Allah chose to talk to you today because He loves you too much to let you stay lost. He is Al-Wadud, the infinitely loving. Accept His invitation. The conversation has started. Don't let it end here. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to reflect quietly and type, Ya Allah, I am listening in the comments. Like this video and share it with someone who is waiting for their sign too.